We're finally here. Standing in front of you today feels like the most natural thing in this world. Parang lahat ng years natin quietly led to this moment. And to anyone who doesn't know our story, let me share a little because this journey is worth telling.
We started as Sipol College classmates, just friends, and we didn't know that those small moments, sabay na naglalakad pa uwi after class, mga biruan na tawanan, the late night conversations, sabay na panunood ng K-drama, Descendants of the Sun. Pinilitan pa nga natin yung mga nicknames natin sa Messenger. Ako si Big Boss, ako si Beauty. Parang trip or joke lang. But these simple interactions were already bringing us closer and making us fall for each other without even realizing it.
Nakakatawa pa kasi after 1 month, nagbigay ka ng gift sa akin. Gifts, poem, at letter. At dun ko nalaman na kami na pala. Since last month pa. We are just two people who fell in love at the same time. Then struggles came when my family was hospitalized during COVID. Isa ka sa naging kamay namin sa labas to help us. And when your family went through the fire, hindi ko rin binitawan yung kamay mo. Those painful moments didn't break us, they strengthened us. Lahat ng hirap at sakit, mas lalo tayo naging strong. Kapag mahina ang isa, nandyan ang isa para magpakatatag. Doon ko natutunan na love isn't always about butterflies. Pero despite hardship, hindi tayo bumitaw. Ako nakikita ko ng Songjong. Big Boss!
Panalangin na makasama hanggang sa pagtanda at lagi kong uulitin.
We're here! Konting hakbang na lang, ay doon na. Stop!
Excited na ako. Sabi mo ayaw mo pero alam ko gusto mo. Bawat segundo, minuto at oras, lagi mahal kita. See you later, love. Oh.
Hello, love. Enjoy this day. Don't stress yourself. Ang gift ko sa'yo ay ang aking mga ATM and credit cards. Kasi nga, sabi mo dati sa akin, ay ang pera ko, ay pera mo na din. I love you, aking asawa. Ay!
I will love you with patience, respect, and loyalty. I will cherish you and choose you always. At sa habang buhay, ikaw ang aking pahinga at aking tahanan. Mahal na mahal kita.
Wala nang iba ang panalangin ko, makasama hanggang sa pagtanda at lagi kong uulitin. Ipapalala sa'yo, ikaw ang panalangin, ikaw ang panalangin.
Best moment? Well, actually lahat naman is best moment pag kasama mo siya. So, nakadepende lang yata sa perspective mo kung ano yung best. Caring siya, then napaka, makulit. Kasi ako tahimik lang ako eh. So, napaka-energetic niya. Siguro, opposite attract.
Magkaiba tayo. I'm too loud, you're too quiet, plus we have different religion. I even called you Honey Bunch. Dahil sobrang tahimik ka at feel ko naman di ka magkakagusto sa akin. Pagdating ng second year, mas naging close tayo sa araw-araw na paglalakad natin papasig palengke. Simple moments pero naging routine natin at di natin alam, God was already stitching our stories together. Ganda. Our love is not perfect, pero I know I'm always safe with you. The challenges faced made us grow in faith and in love. And now, looking at you, I know one thing. I am so ready to spend my lifetime with you.
I'm scared to let go. I'm scared to lose some point out myself.
I promise to choose you in joyful day, in sad and gloomy days, in disagreements, in quiet and loud times, in every season of our life. I will always love you, take care of you, pray for you, and with you. May our love story always be blessed with abundance and overflowing love from God. And may He always be the center of our lives and of our love.
At yan Ron, bilang katibayan ng mahal mo si Bernadette na iyong asawa, sa harap nila halikan mo siya ng wagas.